Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this delicious yummylicious apple cake. And with this apple cake we need only few ingredients, and I made this with some apples I picked from the backyard. And here are the apples. It looks so ugly but it tasted so good. So I'm using this quantity because the apples are so tiny, but if you're making use of large apples, reduce the quantity, at least 4 or 5 pieces. So I'll be adding the eggs, I will whisk it, I will put the ingredients, the amount in the description box. I will add some melted butter or margarine. You can use vegetable oil as well. I will add milk. All of this I'm adding are in room temperature. Add some vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Then add orange zest or lemon zest. Add some sugar, white sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. And as you are adding, you are whisking it. Then now sifting the dry ingredients, your flour, cinnamon and baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Cinnamon goes very well with apple, but if you don't like cinnamon, you can use cardamom, you can use nutmeg, or you can skip it permanently. Whisk till everything is well combined very well, till it doesn't show any lumps. Then after whisking it, you can now add in your diced apples. I've diced the apples off camera. I took out the skin first before I diced it. You can leave the skin if you like it like that, but I took it out because of my kids that doesn't love the skin of the apple. So I will just combine everything together like so. Then I will put it in a pan. I'm using a long pan. You can use round pan, but I'm using a long pan. Then I've been preheating the oven for about 10 minutes. So put it in your oven and bake till it is cooked. And after a while, I checked it and it is cooked. I'll be putting everything, the information, how many minutes you need to bake it in the description box below. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and share out this video to your family, your friends and colleagues. And before you dice it, you can just sprinkle some sugar on it like so. Then you cut it into the shape of your choice. And this is how the apple cake came out. As you can see, it looks very yummy. Let me take it to my family so that they will give their review.
Okay, very nice.
Rate it out of 10.
Engine is not perfect. 9.5.
Okay.
Over 10.
Thank you. Monachi, you're almost done with your own. How is it?
I eat fast.
You eating fast? Did you like it? Is it sweet? Zim Zim, let me see you. Where is the apple cake? Here. Do you like it? Is it good? Goodbye. Aww. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe.